Hey guys, it's Ewok Pilot here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on this Minifigs4u package I just got in the mail today. So without further ado, we're going to just get straight into this. Get ourselves some scissors. Obviously just got to cut our way in through the bottom. I don't know if it works on me. I'm going in through the bottom, but oh well. Come wrapped inside the invoice. Just gonna pull that out, push that all this out. And in here we have ourselves the Bad Batch. Now, I got the very last one in stock, so they are no more on the Minifigs4u website. I don't know if anyone else makes these figs, but I do know that David Hall, Solid Brick Studios, this is business card right there. He did make them. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so we've got all 4 members of the Bad Batch here. We're gonna take a quick little look at each of them. So we're gonna start with our dude Hunter right here, looking pretty snazzy already. Got that extra piece out. Oh, his helmet popped off. Alright. So right away, this guy, here, let's move the lighting. This guy is extremely detailed already. It looks really accurate to what I've seen so far. I watched all of the unfinished versions of the episodes. Never did, or I did look at the new cuts as well. He's got his knife there, accurate to the figure, or the actual character. There's printing inside of the legs. I don't know if you can see that, how well it's coming off on camera, but there is printing in there. Got a Clone Army Customs DC-17 blaster pistol. This is an Aerialite helmet right here. And he does come with his own printed face. I didn't know that. And he's also got his hairpiece. Now, the only problem with this is that the headband goes around the outside of the hair, but other than that, there's no problems with this figure. This figure is fantastic. I'm actually going to take a look at the back printing real quick. So just take off his gray Clone Army Customs Commando backpack. As you can see, you just got some really nice printing. It appears like it pops off a little. It does feel that way. It does feel like it pops off a little, which is actually really nice. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this figure. Alright. Well, next we're going to take a look at Wrecker. Wrecker is the brute of the Bad Batch, yeah. He's pretty much the guy that goes on and wrecks stuff, as his name says. We're going to put, actually, the empty plastic bags over there. And so Wrecker here, he's got an even bigger knife than Hunter does. I don't know if you can see that very well. I'm trying to move it. Yeah, he's got a really big knife right there. He's also got a commando blaster, as you can see right there. Don't know exactly how accurate to show that is, but it is pretty cool nonetheless. He's got a holster for his knife right there. That's really cool. And he's got full posability. There is a little scratch right here on the side. I don't know if that's intentional or not. Oh yes, it looks like it is. And then we also got on the back, we've got printing on the back, of course. And then underneath, there's no hair for him. That's because his character doesn't have hair. You've got his face right there. He's missing an eye. He's got a scar, but it's pretty cool. Gonna take off his head. Look at the back printing. Again, a commando backpack. And I think this is exactly the same. But yeah, it's still pretty cool. Really nice looking figure. I'm really happy with this one as well. I'm probably going to be really happy with all of these figures because they're all just phenomenal. Next we're going to have Tech. who is, as his name suggests, he is the tech of the group. It's funny how that works. He also appears to have a commando backpack. I think they all just have commando backpacks. I think that's how it works. Getting his hair out real quick. Hair out of the bag. Alright. So taking a closer look at this guy, he looks really, really nice. There is slight smearing on the helmet. That's a little disappointing. But other than that, it does look really good. It's a really nice looking figure, really, I wouldn't say clean because of that. But that's an interesting helmet. I think it's an area light. We've got brick arms and Clone Army Customs blasters. Figure's got, his leg will not move. There we go. Legs are a little stiff, but other than that. And then underneath we got his head. Got his hair that can go on just like that. Looks kind of like he does in the show. Got back printing, of course. And we're gonna take a look at the back. Yeah, that all looks really, really nice. But now we gotta get that. All right, the hair does not want to come off of this guy. Yeah, the hair doesn't want to come off. I don't want to risk damaging the figure right now. I'll get that off later. And then, of course, we've got our last guy, Crosshair. That's probably the coolest looking, in my opinion. Let's get that out. Now, Crosshair's got a unique torso piece and a unique helmet with that, well, crosshair on it, and that looks really, really nice. His legs are not stiff like Tech's were. He's got this brick arms blaster. I don't know what kind of blaster that's supposed to be, but he's got this brick built backpack as well. It's got really nice detailing all around, and of course, under the helmet, there's a face. Goes just like that. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really happy with each one of these figures. They all look phenomenal. A really solid work by David Hall and whoever he's collaborated with. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.